Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix CI.dll BSOD blue screen error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of blue screen error on your screen, then here are the fixes. And the first one is update your outdated driver. Right click on a start button and choose device manager. And here look for any faulty device driver having yellow color exclamation sign against any device driver. Find it, and if any found, expand it, right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Apply this process for all your faulty other drivers and one by one update all your device driver. And check whether your CI.dll BSOD error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, scan your system, go to Windows search and check for any memory related issue. Type Windows memory diagnostic in Windows search and open it. Check your computer for memory problems. Memory problems can cause your computer to lose information or stop working. Choose restart now and check for problems. Save your work and close any open programs before restarting. Follow on screen instruction to check your memory related issue. If any found, it will repair them. The next workaround is again go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear, choose yes, and in command prompt Windows execute these three DISM tool as shown on screen one by one. DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows to check your system health, and thereafter execute the command sfc/scan now. It will press enter and it will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. Once finishes, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your blue screen error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on the start button, clean boot your system. Right click on the start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command msconfiz msconfig. Click on OK. This command will open system configuration windows. Here from the top menu bar, go to the option services. Thereafter make the check against option hide all Microsoft services from the bottom left corner and click on disable all from the bottom right corner. Thereafter again go to top menu bar on the same page and choose the option startup. Click on the link open task manager. All your startup apps found it, any startup apps enabled in your system. If any found, simply right click on it and choose disable. Manually disable all your startup apps enabled in your system. Apply this process for all your startup apps enabled in your system. Thereafter close the task manager windows and click on apply and OK to save the changes and check whether your blue screen error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, re-register your CI.dll file. Go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Choose yes if pop-up window appear, and in command prompt Windows execute these two commands one by one. First, uninstall CI.dll file. Execute this command to uninstall this file. Press enter and follow on screen instruction to uninstall CI.dll file, and once successfully uninstalled this file, execute the command, second command, to re-register your CI.dll file. Execute this command to re-register or reinstall your CI.dll file. press enter and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. After that, restart your system. Your blue screen error CI.dll definitely be resolved. That's all.